Hey everybody, it's me Stacy here at Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Hi everybody, hello. Today is week 5 of the summer 2026 warehouse sale here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. This is it, it's the last week. We've been doing this, since the 1st of June. Every week coming to you on Mondays and launching more products into the warehouse sale with savings of 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off, sometimes more than 90% off. That is a warehouse sale, but it's quickly coming to an end. Come July 6th at noon, any product that is still available in the warehouse sale will disappear. It'll be just disappear right off our site. So you have got a week to get all your final orders in. And of course, any product from week 1 or week 2 or week 3, week 4 that hasn't sold out is still available for you at up to 90% off. But today we add even more. I've got a few more manufacturers to add. It's Holy Smokes Artichokes. I think you're gonna love everything. And gosh, I know that several of you have already started to receive your orders. Yeah, there's been several hundreds of you who have received your orders already because we're getting emails and we're getting posts. It was like Christmas when I opened it up. Well, knowing that those orders are already out, well, we're doing our best to help get everybody else's orders in place and out as fast as we can. Just keep in mind, every week that we add more product, the orders get bigger and bigger and bigger and bigger, so it will take longer to get your orders to you. If you've never been involved in our warehouse sale, I highly encourage you to watch the terms and conditions video. That way you know what you're getting yourself into. I mean, when we're selling a $19.99 die for $1.25, there's got to be some give and take between us. But if you trust the process, when you get your shipment, when you get your order, it will be magical because you will have saved so much money and it's all there in front of you ready to be played with. But watch that video because shipping timelines, that's the key thing, is how long it's going to take us to ship. And I can't tell you, I don't know how big all the orders are going to be. I have no idea. So watch that video. However, for the rest of you who are well familiar with this sale, I've got new manufacturers to add today. You're going to love it. Up to 90% off, sometimes even more. It is an amazing event. Any product that has not sold out has carried forward through the weeks. You've got until July 6th noon to get all your final orders in. And today I've got the Crafters Workshop, and I've got Emerald Creek, and I've got Nelly's, and I've got a little bit of Graphic 45 for you. So I'm going to tilt on down and I'm going to get through this pretty quickly because I know you want to shop, and it is available online right now. This is an online only sale, and you can find the categories. There's several categories for you to kind of filter if you want to see product, all the product that's under $2. There's a subcategory for that. If you want to see all the product from week 3, there's a subcategory for that. If you want to see the product from week 5, there's a subcategory for that. You can just click that week 5 and you'll only see the product that's being added this week. If you want to go page by page by page by page by page, you can do that too. You're going to be there a while, but have fun. I have seen orders where people have literally spent $15 and got $100 worth of product for their $15. It has been amazing. So let me tilt on down. Let me get started for today. It is at scrapbookingmadesimple.com. That is the only place you will find a warehouse sale like this. Nobody does it like we do. Nobody. And I'm proud of that. I'm proud that we keep crafting affordable. And if all you have is $10 to spend on crafty goodness for the entire year, come see how far you can make that $10 go with us. No, the product isn't what was just released last week, but oh my gosh, I dare you to find, or to try and find something there, or not to find something. I dare you to not find something that makes your heart happy. There's just too much product there. Just too much for you to go through. So much stuff at such incredible prices. All right, are we ready to tilt down? I'm going to tilt down, and I'm just going to go through some of this pretty quickly because I have already done another video today. You may want to go back and watch that. It's just about some things that are happening in the paper crafting industry that are happening now. So you may want to watch it. You may not. I leave it up to you. All right, let's tilt down and let's start with Emerald Creek. Emerald Creek is a stamp company. They are out of Canada. We have limited amounts of product from them. Oh, let's zoom, zoom, zoom. And most of it is beautiful florals. They are red rubber. They are cling mount. The florals are so lovely, and they are all on sale. They're at least 50% off. Could be more. Look at this. Look at that big old background of the wood grain. So Emerald Creek, lovely product. And this, please know, this is a super small assortment of what we have from Emerald Creek. I can only show you some of what's going up online. I can't show you nearly all of it. We would be here for days. I mean, like when we're talking about stencils, I've got the Crafters Workshop stencils. If I showed you each and every stencil that was going online at least 50% off, we'd be here for days. Maybe there's 100, 200 stencils all on sale from the Crafters Workshop. This is just a very small collection of what we have. And when they're gone, they're gone. Always keeping in mind that your order is not your order until you fully submit it. So if I only have 6 of these snowmen, slimline stencils, and it's in these, the 6 that we have are in 20 different shopping carts, it will be the first 6 to check out who will receive this. There's only, if there's 10 of these, it's the first 10 people who fully check out. Just because you've put it into your shopping cart, it does not secure it as yours. And that's not a Scrapbooking Made Simple thing. That's an every online retailer thing. Not just us, but everybody. There's no way to secure the inventory to you until you have fully submitted your order. And again, you've got until July 6th at noon to get all orders in. We won't be adding any more product for the rest of the sale. So that's Crafters Workshop. Now, if you can imagine that this is just a small assortment of what we have from them, oh my gosh, these are all 6x6 and slimline. Amazing. All right, I have got Nelly's Studio. Nelly's, they are an international company. Look at this cute little, it says handmade on it. I don't know if you can see it, but it's this cutest little stamp that say handmade. And this one's darling. It's got the VW bug. And then it's got all the like the boat and the vacation and the umbrella and the fishing pole. It's just the cutest little stamp ever. But then we also have oodles of embossing folders from them. These 2 are totally different embossing folders. Oh no, those 2 are the same. EF 10, EF round. Huh, I'm gonna make sure that those 2 are the same. They look the same. So cute, right? So darling embossing folders. Love their 3D floral embossing folders. Their 3D florals are so stunning. Their 3D floral embossing folders are amazing. Love the designs. Look at the birch for Christmas and winter. Beautiful. So we have got Nelly Studio. Again, they are out of, gosh, are they out of the Netherlands? This is just some of what we have for you, just some. And then another company, international, called By Lene. And we've got, look at the cute little stamps. Welcome to the world. It's a baby boy, it's a baby girl, pretty little baby. Cappuccino, espresso, Americano, cafe latte, macchiato, Irish coffee. Just the cutest little stamps ever. Congratulations on your new baby. Yes, congratulations on your new baby, the most beautiful baby in the world, little sister, little brother. Love these. Look at those stamps for Halloween. Love them. Those are great pumpkins. Jack-o'-lanterns. A little tag stamp. Look at the little scarecrow, the little dancing, not scarecrow, skeletons. Ooh, these remind me of Disney. Disney has dancing skeletons. Aren't they cute? All in stamps, ready to go. Then we've got florals. And embossing folders, 3D embossing folders. And dies, floral dies. This is all By Lene. Floral dies. All 50, 60, 70, 80, 90% off. And these are international. They even have little heart epoxy dots in the white and in the clear, which means you could color them to anything you want, absolutely. And we have some paper pads in. Ooh, look at that, isn't that beautiful? We have some paper pads in. This is very pretty. So By Lene, they have a little bit of everything from the dies to the epoxy dots to embossing folders to stamps. You name it, they've got a little bit of everything for you. And it's all at such an amazing value. Huge value for you. Let's see, we have, wait for it, we have some graphic 45 for you. Beautiful graphic 45 in their kits. These are their keepsake kits. And we've got some of those for you. But when they're gone, they're gone. And they are on sale at least 50% off. We got a really great deal from somebody who needed to make them go. And so, well, they're here. Graphic 45. So lots of things for you to choose from, whether it be stencils or stamps or embossing folders or dies. Tons of things for you to choose from, but this is the last week. This is it. Once the sale is over, all of the product disappears from our site. It just goes poof, which means if you have an order with us and you go to click on that product after the sale is over and it says the product can't be found or is no longer available, that's true, the sale is over. So you can't find the product on our site anymore and it is no longer available. So don't worry. If you at a later date go back to check on your order and you click a few items and it says that product is no longer available or you can no longer reorder this product, that's true. You can't reorder the product. The sale is over and it's sold out or it's been taken off our site and you can't find it. Don't worry, as long as you were able to submit your order and get your order through, that product has been allocated to your order and we do our very, very best to make sure that Our inventory counts are as right as possible. We rely on some of the manufacturers for the inventory count. We do manual counts here. So if there's something that has to be refunded, we'll take care of that for you. But we certainly do our best to make sure you get everything that makes your heart happy. This is the summer warehouse sale here at Scrapbooking Made Simple. You have week 1, week 2, week 3, week 4, and now week 5. All the products that are still available to shop from at up to 90% off. But I don't have my watch on. Time is ticking. Don't let something get away from you. Don't forget to hit submit on your order. It happens. It does happen. People forget. They get their payment information in there. They do everything. They just forget to hit the submit button, and that order gets canceled out because the system will automatically eventually cancel out orders. So don't let that happen to you. Make sure you hit the submit button, and the way you will know is that you will receive an email back from us saying, "We got your order, thank you," and it'll give you a copy of your invoice. I hope you've had a great time this summer, and I'm hoping that we get to do another one of these in December. I don't know. We're just going to have to wait and see what happens. Time will tell. But for now, save up, stock up, enjoy, and really add to your crafty stash, perhaps things you couldn't have added before. The warehouse sale is to keep crafting affordable for everybody. And I think we do that pretty darn good. I'm pretty proud of what we do. All right, you guys, until Wednesday for our first In the Studio with Stacy class for, gosh, it'll be July. Our first In the Studio class is coming up on Wednesday, and we have a new manufacturer that we are bringing out to you with new product that just launched. So I can't wait to show and I can't wait to share. In the Studio with Stacy is a series of classes, and we take a fine art product and we pair it with paper crafting, and for every Wednesday in the month I teach you all about that product. So by the time the month is done, you've got 4 or 5 classes on how to use a specific product in our paper crafting world. So I will see you then. Have a great night. I've been enjoying the warehouse sale. I hope you have too. All right, you guys, it's me, Stacy. Scrapbooking Made Simple, scrapbookingmadesimple.com. Bye.